so strong right now that I can literally lean into it without a problem or issue of falling back right now. I've never seen gusts so consistently strong. I mean, I almost need rocks in my pocket to keep from blowing away at this point in time, but we're seeing gusts up to 60 miles per hour. But this consistent wind, I'm told, blowing about 40 miles per hour at this point in time. So no telling when this storm will actually calm down, because it seems to be picking up steam throughout the afternoon. So we'll continue to keep an eye on it. In Lyman, Jamie Leary, covering Colorado First.